Welcome to another episode of Climate Chronicles on Larly's EduHub. Have you ever thought about how a minor increase in heat can turn into a deadly assassin? How does the scorching heat of the summer, amplified by global warming, impacts our health? This is more than just a fleeting thought. It's an urgent concern that requires our immediate consideration. Heat waves, or prolonged periods of extreme hot weather, are becoming a regular occurrence, all thanks to global warming. The main offender? Greenhouse gases. These gases, particularly carbon dioxide and methane, capture the sun's heat in our atmosphere, resulting in a rise of temperature. The more we release these gases into the atmosphere, the hotter our Earth turns. You may think, so what? Hot summers have always been a part of our lives. Well, the truth is, these summers are far from ordinary. The World Health Organization reports that every year, heat waves are responsible for over 12,000 deaths globally, and these figures are escalating. By 2050, it's forecasted that this figure will surge by a staggering 2,000%. This sets a grim future in motion, where annually, hundreds of thousands of the thousand are taken by heat waves. However, let us narrow our focus to the impacts at a regional level. In Ghana, for instance, data from the Ghana Meteorological Agency, corroborated by scientific studies and anecdotal reports, has shown an alarming increase in heat wave incidents. These heat waves aren't just causing a rise in temperatures, but are leading to significant detriments in public health and agricultural productivity. The most vulnerable groups, such as the elderly, children, the sick, and those suffering from chronic health conditions, are bearing the worst of the heat waves. It isn't merely about symptoms like sunburns or dehydration. Heat waves in Ghana have been linked to severe health conditions like heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and even organ failure in extreme cases. Furthermore, it's not just physical health that's being compromised. The rising heat and the resultant stresses on daily life can also trigger mental health crises. From an increase in stress and anxiety levels to more severe conditions like depression and post-traumatic stress disorder, heat waves pose a serious threat to mental well-being. Moreover, the agricultural sector, a primary source of livelihood for a large percentage of Ghanaians, has also been severely impacted. The intense heat and subsequent lack of rainfall have resulted in crop failure, further threatening food security and the economic well-being of farming communities. In conclusion, the implications of heat waves extend far beyond increasing temperatures, posing a major threat to both human life and economic stability. But there's a silver lining. We have the power to change this narrative. By taking steps to combat global warming, we can reduce the severity and frequency of heat waves. It starts with reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Encourage the use of renewable energy sources like wind and solar power. Advocate for policies that limit carbon emissions. Support the development of green infrastructure in your community. And it's not just about policy changes. You can make a difference in your own life. Reduce your carbon footprint by driving less, recycling more, and making sustainable choices in your everyday life. Remember, every action counts. Every effort, no matter how small, brings us one step closer to a cooler, healthier planet. So the next time you feel the summer heat, remember, it's not just an inconvenience. It's a call to action. It's a reminder of the urgent need to combat global warming. Because a world without deadly heat waves isn't just a dream, it's a possibility, and it starts with you. Scene 4, engaging with our community. Voiceover. Thank you for tuning in to this enlightening video. If you want to stay updated with more informative content like this, please subscribe to our channel. Did you find this video helpful? Show your support by giving us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this urgent issue. Leave a comment below, and let's get the conversation going. And don't forget, sharing is caring. Spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Together, we can make a difference. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember, every action counts. We appreciate your time and your commitment to making our planet a healthier place. Until next time.